Hey everybody, it's Sunday, and this week's episode of my Treats Not Cheats recipe series. Last week was pizza. This week is going to be crunchy tacos, because who doesn't love crunchy tacos? Anyway, enjoy it. Hey, so we have assembled our ingredients for our very low-carb tacos. And there are not many ingredients at all. In fact, the slow cooker liners are not an ingredient, but I do like to use them because I'm all about efficiency in prep and cleanup. So we have 1 pound of organic grass-fed ground beef, 93% lean. This is the best ground beef I have found. A bag of Mexican-style blend reduced fat mixed cheeses. This is Monterey Jack, cheddar, Colby, and mozzarella. 1 can of original Rotel, and some chili seasoning. This seasoning comes with 3 packets. It comes with your regular chili seasoning. It comes with a packet of corn flour, which I just toss, and a packet of salt, which I keep and I use. So that's it for your ingredients. And now I'm going to show you how to put them all together. So now I'm going to show you the preparation for our super, super easy, very few ingredient, very low carb, crunchy tacos. Okay, so I have lined my slow cooker. You can, of course, also use an Instant Pot. I have not yet bit the bullet and gotten an Instant Pot, but this works just fine, and I'm going out this afternoon, so I'm just gonna let this cook. I'm gonna take my beef, which I've kind of broken up a little bit, dump that in, and break it up just a little. I'm gonna sprinkle on some of the salt, and about, I don't know, 1/4 of the package of the chili seasoning. So I like a good amount of it. This seasoning seasons 2 pounds of ground beef, so you could probably use half. I use a little, maybe 1/3. Then I'm going to add my 1 can of Rotel. I'm going to sort of gently mush that around a little. Not much, just enough. Put the lid on it. Turn it on low. And we're just going to let that rip for 6 hours. That's it. Now we're going to show you how to make a taco shell out of shredded cheese. This is reduced fat, Mexican style shredded cheese. I put 1/4 cup on a small paper plate. And now I am going to microwave it for 1 minute. Okay, so my cheese has come out. Now I'm going to let it cool for just a second. And we peel it up and fold it into a nice, neat taco shell. And it's crispy and it's crunchy and it's delicious. A lot of the oil has cooked off of it. And we'll fill it with our taco beef and some salsa and whatever else we want to fill it with. These are awesome. And there you have the crunchy tacos with 1 gram of carb each. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time.